Congratulations on taking the first step towards homeownership. Gilbert, Arizona is a great place to buy a home, and with the help of a knowledgeable team, the process can be smooth and stress-free. Here are a few simple steps to get you started. 1. Find a buyer's agent. A buyer's agent is a real estate professional who represents the buyer in a transaction. They will have your best interests at heart and will be able to help you find the perfect home. 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This step is important in order to know how much home you can afford. Your buyer's agent can help you find a reputable lender. 3. Start your home search. Once you know how much you can afford, you can start looking for homes in your price range. Your buyer's agent will be able to help you find homes that meet your criteria. 4. Make an offer. Once you've found the perfect home, it's time to make an offer. Your buyer's agent will help you negotiate the best possible price for your dream home. 5. Close on your home. Once your offer is accepted, it's time to close on your home. Your buyer's agent will be there to help you through the process and answer any questions you may have. At Elite One Realty, our team of experienced real estate agents is ready to help you with all of your home buying and selling needs. We have the knowledge and skills to negotiate the best possible deals on your behalf, and we're always available to answer any questions you may have. Our number one priority is making sure that you're happy with the outcome of your transaction, whether you're buying or selling a home. We understand that buying or selling a house is a big decision, which is why we take the time to get to know our clients and their individual needs. We want you to feel confident about your decision, and we'll do everything we can to make sure that you're getting the best possible deal. Give us a call today to learn more about how we can help you with your next real estate transaction.